Most of the people living in this world ignoring why God created us on this earth. You are living in the world seeking money, position, relatives and love of human beings. You live by saving wealth for your happiness and well-being and for your children or for your future offspring. But keep in mind that all of this will be separated from you when you die. Maybe let us look at how the relationships and riches you put together will change if you die. The world will not give any importance to your dead body. Your relatives will do the duties that they have to do. They take off your clothes. They will give you a bath and wear new clothes. They will take you from your home to a new home called graveyard. Your relatives will be ready to burn or bury you. Your items will be separated from you. Your home will be separated from you. The world will not be destroyed by your division. The economy will not stagnate. Someone else will come to your job. The property you have earned will go to your heir. You are adding as much property as you can and you will be left dead behind. Your name disappears with you when you die. Your friends will remember you for a few days. Your family will remember you for a few months. Your contact with people is over. When you dead, you are leaving your beauty, property, children, husband or wife. With so many assets, you get nothing. What do you have stored for your life? As soon as you die, your soul will separate from your body and go to God, and it stand before God. Only if your soul is pure, it will go to heaven. If not, it will go to hell. Sanctify your soul while you are still alive on earth for the kingdom of heaven, rather than worrying when standing before God after you die. How to sanctify our souls? God is telling us how to sanctify our souls through the Bible. Purify your soul from the pursuit of worldly riches and the love of men. Help the poor in your life. Do not harm anyone. Get rid of deceit, lying, betrayal, enemy creation, jealousy, murder, extremism, stubbornness, and the mind that cannot give up. Family honor, degree, position, casteism, racism, sectarianism, and none of this should be with you. Do not commit adultery. Do not look at anyone from the wrong perspective. God created you. You look at God every day. He will help you. This life will be very difficult, but you will be in heaven with God when you die. Maybe if you have done something wrong or sinful, report it to God while you are alive and start living as God said from that moment on. God's purpose for you is make you able to enter the kingdom of heaven without going to hell. Jesus Christ died on the cross for your sins. Jesus Christ can forgive you no matter how great your sins are. You cannot enter the kingdom of heaven without your sins being forgiven. The life in this world is not permanent. The human beings of the world also are not permanent. The riches of this world are all not permanent. The human body, pornography is not permanent. Human love is not permanent. It is all a sin-inducing illusion. Stop looking for all this and purify your soul when you live on earth. The devil roams the earth so much that he tempts you into sin and lead you to hell. Run away from sin. The life of this world is not a standard life. Know that there is a permanent life only after you die. Whether it is heaven or hell depends on how you live in this world. The Bible has the answer to all the problems that arise in your life. God has revealed in the Bible how we should live.